Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Today I made this vinegar chicken rice and it came out yummy, delicious and tasteful. You know, as they say, variety is the spice of life, so I keep on making different varieties of rice. As I do so, I expect you to watch the video, like the video, subscribe if you have not. These are the ingredients and the steps that you take to make this vinegar chicken rice. Use vinegar to marinate the chicken. You can use chicken breasts or any part of the chicken or whole chicken. Just first of all use vinegar to marinate it. Then we have the ingredients here. We have oregano, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, cumin, seasoning powder and salt. Add the ingredients, the spices to the chicken and marinate for an hour or two or overnight if you have the time for it. When your chicken is marinated, you add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Heat it up and then fry both sides of the meat. When both sides are fried or burnt, both sides of the meat, you remove the meat and with that same oil, saute the onions. Then chop and add 1 green pepper. Chop and add also 1 tomato. Allow to fry for some minutes, then you add fresh ginger. Now it's time to add back the meat. Add it back to what is in the pan, then add hot water. Stir and allow to cook for 15 minutes. If you are a Nigerian, you know this is totally different from the way we cook jollof rice, but it is good that you have varieties. You have ways you can cook your jollof rice without having to fry tomatoes and other things. After 15 minutes, you will notice that the sauce, the water inside the meat is a little bit thick. Now you add washed and soaked rice. Here I'm using basmati rice, but you can use other grain of rice. You add the rice, add seasoning cube or salt to taste, then add hot water to the level of the rice. Stir a little bit, cover and cook until the rice is tender. Yeah, our vinegar chicken rice is ready. The next step is just cut and sprinkle some parsley leaf on top of it and enjoy your food. Enjoy your new recipe that I've just taught you now. And please, as you're doing it, as you're enjoying it, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment on the video and share the video. Also subscribe if you have not. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.